Hello, 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 hello. Hello, everyone, and welcome to Dear Denise Diary. Summer is here, and I have a few fun ice lolly ideas to cool you down. These recipes are easy, so get your children involved. Let's get in the cupboards, in the pantry, in the fridge. Get out your favorite squash, chocolate drink, Kool-Aid, lemonade. For the adults, you can be adventurous and freeze your iced coffee or even smoothie. The aim of this video is to give you some ideas which you can build upon. I really hope you do get something out of this. Let the children pick out their favorite fruits like blueberries, strawberries, bananas. You can use pineapple, whatever that the children like. You can even use frozen summer fruits. Just blend them and freeze them and have fun with it. Give us thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Share it with your friends and family. Like it and do comment, and let's get interactive. So go ahead, find some freezable containers around the house. Over here we've got some loose party cups or plastic cups around the house. The children's cups, any favorite mold. Also going to need some lolly sticks. So let's get started. For our first recipe, we want bananas, strawberries, and some watermelon. Let's get started. This recipe is toddler friendly and the whole family will enjoy it. So B helped me by cutting up all the fruits for me, and then after we just weigh them out, we used 180 grams of each fruit. Just pop them in the blender and then add a cup of water and just blend. We found some ice lolly molds as well, so we're going to use them. We're going to fill them up and freeze them. So here we go. Let's fill each one of them up. This mold is perfect for toddlers, as they can just literally push it up and eat, and it's less messy. We then filled the rest of the containers, that is the plastic cups, and popped in some of the ice lolly sticks. And it was all ready. We got 4 plastic cups and 4 molds. And now they're all ready for the fridge. So we're just gonna pop everything into the freezer and freeze it. So here we go. With our first batch inside the freezer, we start with hot chocolate. We've got some Cadbury's hot chocolate mix and some Milo. So let's start with the Cadbury's. All you need to do is to add a few spoons of the hot chocolate. Basically, just mix it to your taste. So the powder, you just add a little bit of hot water to it. You don't want too much, just enough to dissolve it. Then you add your milk to it, some fresh milk to sort of cool it down. If you don't want milk, You can add whatever you choose, or you can just add some cold water to it, mix it up, and then put it in your mold basically. With that done, I just turn my attention to the Milo. So we just do basically the same thing we did with the Cadbury's. Just spoon out your Milo into the container. Just mix it up with a little bit of hot water to dissolve it. Pop in your milk, and it's ready. So now we just add our sticks. It's very important to make sure you add your icelolly sticks. So we just pop in the icelolly sticks, and they're all ready for the freezer. And the following day, it's all ready. These are the smoothie like ones, the ones with the banana, strawberry and watermelon. It's all ready. See it in the mold. Beautiful. And then we also had the hot chocolate ones, the Cadbury ones, and those are also ready. Put them on the side for you to see. There they are, all ready. And this is the Miller one, also ready. B made one off camera using Robinson juice. So this is how it came out. This is the final product, because it was off camera. He used Robinson juice. This one is one of his favorite squash. So he made that by himself, and we popped it in the freezer, and as you can see, it's rather large. So how do we get it out of the mold? Just a bowl of water, and then just sit the icelolly in it. You can just swivel it round, get the water all around it. It will just melt the outer part of it. And then try and turn it around and then pop it out. That's it. Now look at that. That is big. Yum. He really did enjoy this one. And now for one of the blended fruits. Just do the same thing. Put it in there, swivel it around, try and turn it around, and then just basically pop it out, and that's it. Isn't that beautiful? It was yummy too.
So it tastes good. It tastes lots of the banana.
So do the same for the rest. And just pop them out. Look at that chocolate. Oh, so beautiful. And this was my personal favorite, the Milo ones. Sometimes it's a bit difficult to pop it out. You can just massage the container a little bit like you saw me do. And I think because of the mold at the bottom, can you see that? It was difficult to sort of turn it round. So I had to wiggle it a bit out.
Ooh, I still taste the banana.
I do hope this sparks new ideas for you and your kids, or maybe the kid in you. Let us know your favorites, and also share your recipes with us in the comment section. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe if you have not already. Thanks for snooping around my diary. Do have a beautiful day, and bye for now.